Hey there my friends, Coach 𝐸𝐾𝐜 here. In this video today I'm going to talk about how to generate leads in your affiliate marketing business, and I'll talk to you about a program called the Fearless Mama, which can actually show you how to actually generate those leads for your affiliate marketing and how to build a solid affiliate marketing business. So let's jump right into it. Before I start getting into this video, check out the comment section beneath this video. There'll be more information on how to connect with me. The best way to reach me is to call or text me. My number is 585-484-7236, and also hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell so you'll get notified of when I make more training videos just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. If you don't know by now, if you are an affiliate marketer, a network marketer, you have an online business, any type of business at all, leads are the lifeline of your business. What you need to be doing, your daily activity needs to look like you focusing on generating eyeballs, human people looking at your website. The more people who are looking at your website, the probability of you getting sales goes up exponentially. But your job is to first get people to your web page, okay? Or your capture page actually. Alright? So what I wanted to do in this video is take a little bit of time and kind of walk through some of the possible sources of, and this is not you know, every single source, but I wanted to give some sources of where you could go to be able to generate leads for your business. Okay, so you know, let's go over the first one. One of the first sources that you can generate leads from is to do a solo ad. You can buy a solo ad online, and then you could run that from, I would say run it between Sunday and Thursday is typically when you want to run a solo ad. If you were to run that, a solo ad is just where you buy visitors basically to your web page. Okay, you buy a package of people who are going to your website. So instead of maybe you generating that traffic on your own, those leads on your own, you go ahead and you buy them off of someone's list, someone who has already created a massive list of maybe 10,000, whoever knows how many thousands of people are on this list, and they're gonna run your advertisement to this list and get those people hopefully onto your list. Okay, those people will look at your website and decide that they want to capture opt in to your capture page. Now you have a list of people that you can actively market to. Now the one thing about solo ads, a lot of people have this idea, and I want to kind of talk about this for a second. People have this idea that if they buy solo ad traffic, they're going to get magical sales. It does not work like this. Solo ads are typically, what happens is people get onto your list. You may get some sales, but typically what happens is those people will come onto your list, and you need to have an autoresponder sequence to follow up with those people, because over time then they will become buyers. But they're typically not going to buy just because you bought a solo ad and market it to those people. Okay, so just understand that about solo ads, it's not magical. There's a conversion process that needs to happen with solo ads. That's one of the things that they teach in the Fearless Mama, is like how to the conversion secrets to solo ads. Okay, so that's one of the things that that's why I'm excited for people to get connected to the community that I'm in. They need to learn the secret sauce and not just think that because they bought a solo ad it's going to convert. All right, the next way that you could begin to generate leads and traffic for your business is to do weekly videos. Okay, videos just like you're watching right now. If you're not on YouTube and you're not doing YouTube marketing is free. You could go ahead and put videos out there. And again, YouTube is a search platform, so people are able to find you. It makes you discoverable. You're able to get your message out there about why people need to position themselves with whatever your offerings are. Okay, also Facebook Live. So if you're building a Facebook audience, you could begin to do Facebook Lives and begin to introduce that audience that you've built or you're building, introduce them to your offerings. Okay, so you could do both of those things, and those are free. And here's the thing about video marketing with both YouTube, Facebook Lives and YouTube. You know, video marketing helps you build know, like, and trust. So unlike a lot of the other lead generation strategies, you build know, like, and trust early on with that audience because they see you on video. They're able to get to kind of know you, your personality, what you have to offer, what you bring to the table, what your offerings are. Okay, so if you're not doing video marketing, get out of your comfort zone. It's okay, my friend. Anyone who started video marketing, me myself, was a beginner, was shy, was afraid, was wondering what the other person looking across the screen was thinking. But you know what? You got to get started, my friend. So video marketing, that's another way, weekly videos. All right. Another way is Craigslist. Okay, so you could spend $5, you know, on a ad that you create, typically in a major city, between $5 and $7. And you can begin to market on Craigslist, okay, and get leads towards your capture page. Now, again, anytime you're doing paid ads, whether it be sold ad, whether it be Craigslist ad, there are some conversion secrets. Again, that's why I like the community that I'm in. They teach you how do you convert those ads. Just because you pay for ads, you're not going to get magical sales like that. You know, you may get some, but you know, you'll get lots of leads, but you may not get all those sales if you don't know what you're doing. You're not sharing with your group your email list as they're on it value. You're not answering objections. You're not inviting them to weekly webinars. You're not allowing them to see proof. You know, these are the things that you need to do and learn how to do in order to convert those leads, so you're not just a collector of leads, you're able to convert those into sales. Okay, the next thing, oh, and I wanted to mention other classified sites. There's tons of free classified sites. There's 𝐒𝐠, there's I mean, there's so many. Okay, you can advertise on other classified sites. There's Craigslist ads, things like that. Okay, so those are other places you could there's even newspapers, like there's I don't even know what it's called, but you can take out an ad across the country. Even like penny saver programs, you can advertise in those as well for your business. There's a lot of people who are looking for online programs in those types of things. So, you know, offline and non-conventional places to advertise also still work. Okay, then offline you can do flyers and postcards and things like that, and put those in high traffic areas, you know, college campuses, you know, bus stations, train stations, you know, even if you had like a big old board. You know, here's another thing that you could use, talking about offline marketing, and I made a video about this, and I'm actually gonna, let me write this down because I need to do that this weekend and order mine. But your car is an untapped marketing space. And in my old MLM company back in the day, I used to get a lot of sales because I would be driving and people would see my number. If you want to lose weight or make money, call this number. And that's literally what my car vinyl said on the back of my car. And I think I got it for like Vistaprint. I didn't even pay $20 for it. And it got me a lot of sales because people were sitting in traffic behind me and I had a billboard on my car. Okay, so that's another way that you could utilize offline postcards, offline marketing, again, magazine ads, things like that. All right, I already talked about newspaper classifieds, so I'm not going to get into that. All right, here's another way you can advertise. Running Facebook ads. So posting things on your fan page and boosting it, or running a Facebook ad. And then advertising in groups and Facebook groups. Okay, so you want to join groups that are in the make money online niche, you know, make money from home, work at home dads. Join those types of groups, and if they allow posting and marketing in those groups, then you can post an ad in that group and begin to get traffic. Okay, now that I've said all of this, I've given you about 5 or 6 ideas of weekly lead sources that you can use in your business. How do you put this together? Okay, first you want to have a basic understanding of how lead generation works. Okay, so ideally you want to pick 2 or 3 methods of lead generation from this list, or ones that you create yourself, and you want to make that part of your daily routine. Okay, so as you see here, there's 3 different types of lead generation here. Okay, now what's happening is those people are going to go to your website or your capture page, and now hopefully your capture page is tied to a system follow-up of emails where they're constantly getting emails about your opportunity, so that they can stay connected to it. And hopefully you're also sending them to webinars that your company has or your opportunity has, and you're inviting them constantly to learn more. You're sending them proof, you're sending them webinars, right? You're making an effort to stay in contact with them to let them know, hey, this still works, and you still have an opportunity to position yourself with this. All right, and then that's what leads to a sale down here. So that's the sales process right there. And it's really not complicated if you just make your main job, just focus on every day. You're focusing on your 3 lead generation strategies. That's your job every day. All right, so that said, I do want to talk about where I'm learning this so that you have the opportunity to also position yourself to be there too. You know, the Fearless Mama is the community that I'm a part of, which it teaches lead generation. It teaches you how to do affiliate marketing right. It positions you to make 250 dollar 100% instant commissions in your pocket. So you're literally, as you're learning about how to grow your affiliate marketing business the right way, you are also able to earn $250 mid-ticket commissions and be able to grow a great income as well. All right, so that's the system that I use. They're very powerful modules in the Fearless Mama community, and the Fearless Mama really teaches you, it's not just about making $250 instant commissions. It's about learning skill sets that pay. These skill sets allow you to monetize yourself in the world of affiliate marketing. You can take these skill sets once you learn how to do ads, once you learn how to market, once you learn how to do follow-up, once you learn conversion secrets, once you learn how to do capture pages, sell pages the right way, you can truly take the skill sets that you've learned from the Fearless Mama and not just be an affiliate marketer, but you can actually be a true business owner. What I mean by that is, you know, I don't think sometimes as affiliate marketers, I say we always think about all the ways we can monetize in our biz. We get so caught up in being promoters, you know, promoting the Fearless Mama, promoting affiliate programs and things like that. But here's the thing, once you learn these skill sets, now you can, you know, go charge your business $100 or $200 or $300 or $400 or even $500 to create an ad campaign for them on Craigslist, on Facebook. You can charge them, you know, to be able to put together an email campaign, because these are skill sets that pay. Okay, there's lots of business owners who are looking to do this. So learning these skill sets doesn't just equip you to promote for the Fearless Mama. It equips you to be an online business owner who happens to have a business that's online, and you can create multiple streams for yourself using the skill sets that you've learned. So that's really what it's about. All right, so anyways, Fearless Mama focuses on lead generation, teaching you lead generation strategies that work, okay, from a multiple six-figure earner. You're learning that, you know, if you don't have leads or traffic, you have no money, period. That's how it works. All right, so they're going to show you low cost and no cost lead generation strategies, how to do simple things like $5 Facebook ads. You're also going to learn a daily mode of operation. A lot of people don't have one, and if you don't have one, every day you wake up and you're just throwing darts trying to see what works. Okay, and a lot of people, you know, even when you give them a daily mode of operation, they just try whatever they think works. I don't know, listen people, but you're given a daily mode of operation. Okay, you're gonna learn things like attraction marketing, how to do marketing that actually attracts people, so you don't have to chase people, and build a easier business that way. Okay, you're going to learn social media marketing, how to leverage free platforms and be able to grow a business. You're going to learn email marketing. You're going to learn mindset, conversion secrets, and more. And I find that it's very beginner friendly, this program. We have several members coming in within their first 72 hours getting their first $250 commission, which is very powerful, and it's because of what they're being taught in this program, and it's amazing. All right, and the Fearless Mama gives you an automated funnel system. You get your own capture page, you get your own sales page, and they have live weekly webinars, okay, that you don't have to put together. All right, so you can make $250 instant commissions, and then if you want to upgrade to the six-figure empire, which you also have the opportunity to do, you can make $1,000 plus instant commissions as well. Okay, so those are those high ticket commissions. Okay, so remember, Fearless Mama's $250. There's no admin fee with the Fearless Mama, which is amazing. There's no admin fee. It's $250 one time, and you have a business, okay, and you can begin to generate $250 instant commissions and learn the science of affiliate marketing. All right, and if you want to then decide you want to start earning $1,000 plus commissions, you can get into the six-figure empire, which is part of the Fearless Mama community, and you could begin to earn those high ticket commissions as well, which will also help you grow your income even faster. All right, now I offer bonuses to people that help them get on the fast track to affiliate marketing the right way. All right, these are things that when I came online, I was learning how to build a full-time business online. It helped me out a lot. The first thing is some high converting copy and paste ads to begin marketing. Okay, so I give you access to those. You get access to those so you can get right out there and start marketing. Second thing you get access to is a YouTube review video course. It's going to show you how to do a YouTube review, okay, so that you are able to get in front of your target audience, people who are already searching for these keywords. They're already looking for what it is you have to offer, and you could begin to position yourself in front of those people for free. YouTube is a free platform, and begin to get exposure. Exposure then leads to leads and traffic. Okay, so that's that. The next thing is you're going to get a YouTube marketing course, and this is going to help you grow your YouTube channel fast. You're going to learn how to learn more about doing a YouTube review, but you're also going to discover the best keywords and how to rank your videos quickly and easily. Okay, so you're going to get access to that. And then the last thing you're going to get access to is my course called Social Celebrity. And in this course, I'm giving you the bee's knees. Okay, I'm giving you the secret sauce of how to use social media to attract leads and sales. You're getting a daily posting guide on suggestions for how to post on a daily basis to attract, and scripts on how to convert leads. Okay, that's $1,000 value. So you're getting over $1,847 bonuses from me as you begin to build your Fearless Mama community and get in that community and learn what you need to learn and grow a rocking affiliate marketing business. All right, so that's it, my friends. I'm done. Check out the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, my friend. Bye bye.